Hello everyone, my name is LATA. I am from CSBS department first year. My product name is Interior Designing. Mentor is Dr. Prasad sir. My startup company name is Java House. And feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeding about the product has said to be customers during a empathizing activity. Modern designing, colorful walls and furnitures, cafe service and outdoor setting, background music, and define and ideate based on the empathizing stage and considering a feeling and requirement the customers. Many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features to be added: colorful walls and natural lighting system, artificial plants and Wi-Fi charging stations. For futuristic product name is Vivid Vignities. Prototype. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advises to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. And testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinions, satisfy and testing stage. Thank you.